Hi, Jim Pelly with Fantasy RV. We are here on our first day at the Haygoods show of the Branson Eclipse Rally, and we're getting ready to go inside and see the amazing Haygoods. Yay!
And now, please welcome to the stage, four-time entertainers of the year, the Haygoods!
I said, don't believe me, just watch.
That means he's lost the will.
All together, and I can't explain, not yet.
Everything that you see on the stage we put together is done in-house by one of us.
All right, we are at day 2 of the Branson Rally, and we are starting with lunch at the world-famous Paula Deen's restaurant. In fact, there's a rumor that Paula herself is here. Check this out. Hey, Paula.
Who's ready for a train ride? Who's ready for a warm train ride? Wouldn't that be fabulous?
All right, we are on day 2 of the Branson Homecoming Rally, and we are on the Branson Scenic Railway with all of our guests.
Enjoying a cup of coffee on the Branson Scenic Holiday Railroad. Having a great time watching the sight. Beautiful cloudy day today. Just like it's going to be next Monday at the Eclipse. Let's hope not.
We're back after a full day in Branson. We're at the event center in the campground, and we're getting ready for a night of bingo and great prizes, and best of all, an open bar. Jim.
Welcome. We're here at our annual charity auction. We raise money every year from Make-A-Wish. It's near and dear to our hearts as a company. And last year at our homecoming rally, we raised $102,000 and we granted 10 wishes in East Tennessee. We're looking today in Branson to raise as much and grant as many wishes as we can.
I have $2,800. 20,000. I have 3,000. 3,500 going once. 35 going twice. Sold. Team Sarah.
I'm excited to announce you guys are unbelievable. You have shattered our last record, and you guys alone, you donated $61,482. And then with Mel and Fantasy's match, we are donating $123,316.
Hi, it's day 3 of the Branson Homecoming Rally, and tonight we're having a sunset dinner at the Big Cedar Lodge. Today we're at College of the Ozarks, which is also known as Hard Work U, where students earn their tuition through work on campus. Today we're going to have an amazing lunch here at the Keeter Center. We're also going to have a campus tour and time at the Ralph Foster Museum.
We're at the Ralph Foster Museum in the College of the Ozarks, and this is the original Beverly Hillbillies truck. Now, how cool is that? It's been a great morning so far. Lots of stuff to see here in the museum if you ever get out. A lot of weaponry, a lot of wildlife. Some of the shots I guess that people have taken. It's just been an excellent morning so far.
We all work 15 hours a week. We have over 100 different workstations, and then we offer about 50 different majors and minors, and then we have about 1,500 students at any given time.
So we have a great treat for you. Yeah. We have Gold Wing Express. I'll say it again. We have Gold Wing Express. And the crowd goes wild. They are a part of the Dolly Parton Stampede.
Every day.
Every day. In fact, earlier today they were over there. And I asked them if they saw Dolly. Said she was not there.
Wasn't there?
So Fantasy RV Tours, Gold Wing Express.
Some mountain music, like Grandma and Grandpa used to play.
Little things that turn me on, like standing in the kitchen.
Thank you, Peter.
Welcome. This morning we're at crafts class here at Homecoming Rally. We like to do a lot of things that keep you busy. Ice cream socials, root beer floats, and crafts. And today we're painting rocks. What I love about this, look at all the guys that are painting rocks. So much talent in our group. We're having a rockin' good time today. We're here at one of our travel logs. Today we're talking about Australia, New Zealand, and South Africa. We like to describe our tours and let the guests talk about their experiences on them. We give away loads of door prizes. Today we have $1,500 worth of door prizes to give away. And everybody here knows Mel keeps a little secret to reveal just at homecoming. We are headed off to the Showboat Branson Belle for dinner and a show. Follow along for a night of fun.
We have the Fantasy RV Tour. All right, let's count it down. Everybody, we go. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Hi, George.
Hello.
Hi, where are you from, George?
New York City.
Oh, great. And so who are you sitting with back there today? Oh, you're over there in the corner.
I'm over here.
Uh-huh, who are you with?
Andrew.
Andrew?
Yes.
Yes, there you go. Ben, and how'd you guys meet? Was it a ski club?
He fixed my RV.
He fixed your RV. Okay. So what was the... That's a weird thing to clap for. All right.
Just feeling away, day by day. People get ready for the news. Some are happy, some are sad. Oh, you gotta let the music play. Yeah.
is one of my favorite parts of the rally. This kind of evolved a few years ago, and we even have a fire now. We call this the Fireside Chat with Nell, and she brings up the ambassadors. And basically, it's your time to ask questions for anything. We've got a limited amount of mics, but I promise you I'll get to you.
Yeah, you can ask questions about a tour, maybe something you're curious about, or...
We've been on 2 caravans, and both caravans we went on used FRS radios, and they work very good. But one of the things that Beth and I have done that I think has helped us too, we had both our phones on Verizon, and I know everybody saves $10 or $20, but we ultimately ended up putting one phone on one provider and one phone on another provider, and it's kind of amazing that you may sit there with 0 bars or SOS with AT&T, and you got 3 bars with Verizon or T-Mobile. Just saying, it might help somebody in a certain.
That's really good advice, and you should, if that's real important to you, when you go to, say, Canada and Alaska, that's the best way to do it. That's the way I do it. I have an AT&T and a Verizon, so it's very good advice.
We're at our 2024 homecoming rally, and we are having our out-of-the-world costume party as we get ready to celebrate the eclipse. So our guests have dressed up. We're going to have great costumes and awards. I think that's it. We're on day 7 of our homecoming rally in Branson, Missouri, and we are in the path of totality.
Hi, I'm here with Fantasy RV Tours, and I'm so excited. This is going to be my first total solar eclipse, and I just can't wait.
I just want to say that this was a vision 2.5 years ago, and we planned it a little over 2 years ago. And it's a perfect day. We have the perfect people here. We were all meant to be here at this time in our lives. And let's just enjoy it, feel it, embrace it. Thank you for being here.
Max eclipse in 30 seconds. It's getting quieter and darker. All right, well, we just wrapped up the Path of Totality experience at the Branson Homecoming Rally, and we're going to ask Cindy and Pete what they thought of the experience.
It was a wonderful experience here, and just to see nature and how the eclipse can just change the environment, and how much cooler it got, and the crispness in our vision and just in the nature was just beautiful, and our culmination with a bald eagle flying over afterwards.
Having all the friends around us at the same time, everybody sharing the experience, it was very, very cool.
We're at our final night of the Branson Homecoming Rally and our farewell dinner. This is where we recognize our most loyal and frequent travelers with special awards. We also have an open bar, and we present a big check to Make-A-Wish for all the fundraising our guests have helped us with.
And the thing I'm most proud of is our ambassadors and our employees. And I just can't say enough, thank all of you, thank you so much. Thank you.
So listen, guys, it has been a true honor, a true pleasure. I hope you guys have enjoyed yourself tremendously. It was a lot of fun, a lot of work, but you know what I enjoy more than anything? Watching you all have a great time. I hope you did. I hope you enjoyed everything. I'm going to drop the mic if it wasn't so darn expensive. Thank you.